Have you ever heard of a tree that can walk? Sounds like science fiction. But deep inside the rainforest of Central and South America, there is a palm tree that appears to move. Yes, actually walk. This is the story of Socratea Exorrhiza, the mysterious walking palm tree. Get ready to be amazed by one of the nature's most bizarre wonders. Socratea exorrhiza is a species of palm tree found mostly in the tropical rainforest of Central and South America, especially in countries like Ecuador, Colombia, Peru, and Brazil. This palm is also called the walking palm tree, and it is famous for its unusual root system. What makes it different from other trees is that it grows on tall, stilt-like roots that look like long legs. These roots grow out from the trunk and spread out around the base, giving it the appearance of a spider standing on legs, or as many people say, a tree that's ready to walk. Now here comes the fascinating part. Local people and even some scientists once believed that this tree can slowly walk from one place to another by growing new roots in the direction it wants to move and letting old ones die. Let's say the soil under the tree becomes too muddy, dark, or unstable. What the tree does is grow new roots in a better spot nearby, and over the time the old roots on the bad side die off. This process gives the impressions that the tree is slowly walking a few centimeters or even meters over the years, though it's not like the tree picks up its root and walks like a human. This slow and smart way of adjusting its position is what earned it the name walking tree. Scientists have studied this behavior and there is still debate. Some researchers say it does not actually walk but rather adjusts to change in its environment. Others argue that while it does not walk in the traditional sense, its ability to grow new roots while shedding old ones allows it to adapt and slowly shift its position over time. Even though it's not proven that it walks in the way local myths describe, the mystery still adds to the charms of this incredible tree. Whether fact or folklore, Socratea exorrhiza definitely has one of the most unique survival strategies in the plant world. These long stilt roots help the tree stand tall even on uneven forest floors. When strong winds blow or landslides occurs, most trees would fall or break, but the walking palm tree bends and sways because its stilt roots give it strong support and flexibility. The root also help the tree reach more nutrients in the rainforest, where lights and foods are limited. Some scientists believe this kind of a root system is an adaptation to avoid competition and get closer to sunlight. In short, it's nature's way of swaying, adapt or perish. If you ever travel to the Amazon rainforest or tropical forest of Panama, Costa Rica, Ecuador, you might spot this incredible tree. It's usually grow up to 25 meters tall, with a slim trunk and a crown of palm leaves at the top. You will recognize it instantly by its legs, those tall roots that make it look like it could walk away at any moment. People are fascinated by the walking palm, not just because of its unique roots, but also because it sparks our imagination. It makes us question how much we still don't know about nature. Local legends say these trees move silently through the forest at night. While there's no proof of that, it's easy to see why this tree feels magical. It's a reminder that the earth is still full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So the next time you walk through a rainforest or see a palm tree, remember, some trees might just be walking behind your back. If you enjoyed learning about Socratea exorrhiza, the amazing walking palm tree, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more strange and fascinating stories from nature. Share this video with someone who loves mysterious plants and nature secrets. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.